Hello guys! A very good morning to all of you. And today's vlog, I just want to share with you a short clip of my beautiful cockatiel bird. And his name is Mikey, where he is comfortably sleeping on my lap. Normally, he does this every time I sit on the chair and doing some work on my laptop, where he finds comfort and love. Cockatiel are extremely smart and can be taught to talk and do some tricks. But once they fulfill those tricks, you must have to give them a treats, like some seeds. And cockatiels are gentle and passionate too. They will like to be touched but will also just love to hang out with you happily. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you to my next one. Bye!